Hi, my dear children. How are you all? Good morning. I hope you are all safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. And today we are going to see about our favorite subject, environmental science, for the grade 3. My dear children, today we are going to see about a new lesson, that is second lesson, called safety or keeping safe. Before entering into the lesson, first we see about the topic accidents. What is meant by accidents? Yes, accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning. Accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning. Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness. How does the accident occur? It is because of our carelessness. My dear children, see this image. What you can see in this image? Yes, one small boy rided the cycle and fell down. How he fell down? Due to his carelessness. So we have to ride a bicycle carefully. We should follow safety rules all the time to avoid accidents. To avoid accidents, what we have to do? We have to follow safety rules all the time. Now we are going to see about safety while traveling in a bus. What we are going to see now? Yes, we are going to see about safety while traveling in a bus. We must follow these safety rules while traveling in a bus. There are some rules which are given which should be followed while traveling in a bus. What is the first rule? Stand in a queue at the bus stop while traveling in a bus. We should stand in a queue at the bus stop while traveling in a bus. We should not push each other. Next, what is the next rule? Do not lean out or put your hand out of the window of a moving bus. When the bus is moving, we should not put our head or hand outside the window. What is the next rule? Do not get in or out of the moving bus. We should not get in or out of a moving bus. Next, never disturb the bus driver. We should keep quiet while traveling in a bus. We should not disturb the bus driver and we should be quiet while traveling in a bus. Let me see some images regarding the safety rules while traveling in a bus. In this image, these children are standing in a queue and getting inside the bus. Yes, we should stand in a queue at the bus stop while traveling in the bus. And in this image, what you can see, my dear children? Yes, we should not put your hands or head outside the window of a moving bus. What you can see in the next image? We should not get in or out of a moving bus. And in the final image, what we can able to see, some children are disturbing the driver. We should not do like that. We should not disturb the bus driver. We should keep quiet while traveling in the bus. Next, we are going to see about safety on the road. What we are going to see, my dear children? Yes, we are going to see about safety on the road. We must follow the safety rules on the road. There are some rules which should be followed while moving on the road. Yes, what is the first rule? Always walk on the footpath. We should always walk on the footpath and we should never play on the road. Never play on the road, and we should not run across the road. Only we should walk while moving on the road. We should not run across the road. Next, always use zebra crossing or subway or foot over bridge to cross the road. We should always use zebra crossing or a subway or foot over bridge to cross the road. we should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. We should watch the traffic light, and the traffic light should be in green. Which traffic light should be in green? Pedestrian traffic light should be in green, and only then we should cross the road. Next, when there is no traffic light, look at the right and then to the left and again to the right. And when there is no vehicle, you can cross the road. That is, cross the road when it is clear. When there is no traffic light, look to the right and then to the left and again to the right, and then cross the road when it is clear. Stay on the left side on the road while riding a bicycle. We should stay on left side of the road while riding a bicycle. Next, we see some images recording the safety rules on the road. What we can see in this image, my dear children? Yes, we should never run while crossing the road. We should never run while crossing the road, and we should always walk on the footpath. We should always walk on the footpath, and we should cross the road only at zebra crossing. We should only cross the road only at zebra crossing. What we can see in this image, that some children are playing on the road. We should not play on the road. Next, what we can see through this image, only we should ride a bicycle on the left side of the road. Stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. And now we are going to see about safety in the playground. What we are going to see, my dear children? Yes, we are going to see about safety in the playground. We must follow these rules in the playground so that you and your friends are safe. First, while playing, we should always follow the rules of the game. We should always follow the rules of the games while playing. Yes, we should not play rough games, because while playing rough games we may get injured. So we should not play rough games. While playing at the swings and merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push each other. While playing swings, merry-go-round or seesaw, we should not push each other. And finally, we should wait for our turn. And finally, what we have to do? We should wait for our turn. Here in this image, what we can see, my dear children? Yes, we should not play rough games, because if we play rough games, it may get injured. And my dear children, so far what we have seen about accidents and safety while traveling in a bus, and safety on the road, and safety in the playground. I hope you have all understand about the topics that we have discussed today. Thank you, my dear children. Have a nice day.